Welcome to Big Data Analytics. So this is the task number two, to configure, monitor, and administer a data warehouse and perform basic query operations on the data warehouse using SQL Server Management Studio and Microsoft SQL Server. So we need to open the SQL Server Management Studio, and here we need to connect to the server first of all. So click on this connect button, and then you can able to get this option. So server engine, and this is the developer edition. The first option is the developer edition. Download and install the developer edition. Why? Because data warehouse configuration options which are available in the developer edition only, not in express edition. So I installed and connecting to the developer edition now. Now we need to create one new database, and I'm directly going to execute the SQL script. By the way, I can able to create the databases. So the database I'm going to create for a bike store. The bike store database, bike stores database. So the database is now created. So the log file, everything is created. Now for this database, I'm going to execute that SQL script. So in order to execute this SQL script, so we need to create a new query. So now the new query workspace, it is available now. So after opened this new query workspace, we can able to see this particular drop down box. It was enabled. So click on this button and select the bike stores. So bike store is the database in which we are going to execute our queries. So anyway, here I'm not going to execute any query. I'm going to import the query. So click on the file menu, and then new, click on open, and then files. So inside this folder, okay, so types, task2 TypeScript, inside this folder I have this script file. So this script file I will be share in this video. Okay, so in the description box you can download this particular link. The link is available. From the link you can able to download. So open this script. So the script, it is classified into three. What are they? It is nothing but bike store sample database to create the various objects, etc., and to load the data. And finally, if you want to drop all the objects, now we can able to drop it. So for that, this bike store database scripts, no, we can able to use. So just I show you that what are the queries that we have in this particular script. So here first, let me check the yes, schema. So this is the create. So schema diagrams, no, we studied, right? Okay, so based upon that, no, we can create the schema tables. Okay, table descriptions, everything we can give. So these are the various tables with primary key and foreign key which are created. And then so this is to drop the all the tables. For that we can use this, and this one to insert the information into the table. Okay, so whatever the table we have defined, for that we can able to insert the data. So for this we can use this. So first, which script file we have to execute? Now we have to execute this script file. So the schema and table creations. So this script file we need to execute. So select this particular file, and then click on this execute button. So once you click on this, automatically it will execute all the SQL queries, whatever we had given in this particular file. So the command, it completed successfully. Then now we can load the data to the particular tables. So this is the insert queries we have in this particular file. So I'm just going to execute this. Execute. Yes, now all the tables were okay. The data were inserted into the tables, and now you can able to execute a, new query. Okay, now the table was ready. We can configure the data warehouse. So in order to configure the data warehouse, so click on this management option and explore this. Now you can able to see the data collections. So this management option is only available in the developer edition. So in Express edition, it's not available. So click on this management and data collections, then right click and task, and then you can able to get this option that is configure management data warehouse. So now you can open this data warehouse wizard and click next option, and by default the server name it was taken, and database we need to select. So already I have three databases: automobile, BDA, and bike stores. So for this task, we have created the bike store database, right? So click on this bike store database, bike stores database, and next, then you can able to check out all these options. Whatever the option is you require, we can check out this, and this is to map okay users to this login and database role membership for bike stores, so we can able to enable admin, reader, and writer options. Yes, then click next and then click finish button. So now it will create that the particular data warehouse wizard. Now the data warehouse is created. So it is successfully created that user management data warehouse for bike store, and the script file is also executed, and it created the users and mapped with that the particular logins. So now the data warehouse is ready. So now what you can do now, we can able to execute the various queries in this particular bike store databases. So I have some of the sample query. So these are the sample queries. Just I want to execute union operations, union all, intersection, join operations, and right join and left join operations. So these are the operations I given in the manual. So let us consider that we are going to execute the union operation. So union means we all know that the set operation, union is a set operation. So it will take the data from the table 1 and then table 2, and it will combine that the data. So union, what it will do now, it will remove the duplicate data items. Let us consider that in the table 1, 1, 2, 3 is there, and in table 2, 2, 3, 4 is there. So the duplicate items are 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 available in both table 1, table 2. So therefore, it removes the duplicate items and it provides that the result is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is union operation. And union all. So union all is nothing but it will take that the duplicate item also. That is what called as a union all. And next one is intersection operation. So intersection, it will remove that the duplicate items, and it will find that if both item which are available in the both the table, so 2 and 3 is available in the both the table. So it means that it won't take the duplicate items. It will take that the unique items, the items which are available in both table 1 and table 2. In such a way you can able to next, inner join operation. So inner join operation, for which we are taken two table 1 and table 2. Table 1, it is nothing but categories, uh, and table 2, sorry, table 1 it is products, and table 2 it is categories. So between this table products and categories only this inner join operation is carried out. So what is production? Production is nothing but it's a schema name. So from this schema, this particular table is taken, and what are the fields we are taken now? Product name, category name, and price list, and it was ordered based upon this particular product name in descending order. So let us copy this query for inner join and paste it here, and let me execute this. So we can able to get that the particular results. So nearly 321 rows. Okay, so we are getting for this particular operation. So the data warehouse is created, and SQL queries were executed, and the various operations such as union, union all, intersection, and join operation, in which inner join we are executed, in which again there are so many operations are there. So everything is available in the manual. Let us execute the all the operations one by one. So in this particular that is workspace, and you can able to execute by clicking on this button. So that's all about the task 2. So I combined the task 2, 2A and 2B in a single video. So try to understand and do the task. Thank you.